My name is Chad Carlisle, and I work in Ready Hung. This is the machine I run here, and I'm fixing to run this door. And what it's going to do is it's gonna knock a 1/4 inch off with the bevel. It's going to size the door down. There's 3 blades along this curve here. There's sanding wheels on the end. That's going to sand the wheel after it cuts, 1/4 inch off. So after the door's been run through the beveler, then it comes here, which I clamp it, and it drills for your hole. And it also, once it drills and comes in, this plunger comes up, bores it for the strike plunger. And then the door is slid to this machine, to this router, clamp, and then once I turn on, it actually does the strike edge for the lock. And I can show you one right here. That's going to do the same thing. Okay, I'm fixing a machine for hinges. The hinges are 3.5. This is actually like an attic unit because it's got a threshold that's going to go on the end of it. But it's a 1 3/8 door, so it takes a little more prepping. I got to come back once it's machined, take the jams. I got to rip them on the saw. I got to rip both ends on the saw to give it the right depth and everything. But I'm fixing, like I said, I'm fixing to run the hinges. This door is 68 inches, which is not our standard height. So I cannot machine hinges standard. So I've got it all laid out. So what I have to do here is I can attach one hinge to it. Okay. Ends, I got my hinge location is not standard hinge location. Now that I got the jam in the door hinged, I can slide it whatever I need to be able to machine in these specs. And what I'm doing here is I'm just getting to my line. And that's finished product.